everybody. This is the first one, make it level 2.
Shirley Davis-Fox, MBE, CEO, the Chief Executive Officer of ISA Training. I can't believe that we have another Salon Cymru 2018. It's absolutely packed in the auditorium. It has never been so busy. It's passionate. There are so many young people out there, and I'm very, very proud.
I like the series Vikings, I watched that anyway, so I know a bit on hand, things to look. I'll do it again, I will do it again, definitely.
I really like Game of Thrones, and when Viserion turned into the White Walker, that really inspired me. Just took up time and just enjoyed doing it and just having fun doing it really. Enjoyed it. It's been like the best day ever. Just compete. I never expected to come first in one of them, so to come first in both is just amazing.
The Shirley Davis-Fox MBE Rising Star Award.
Oh my goodness gracious. Luke Hopkins from Guy Christian in Cwmbran.
Yeah, I'm thrilled, really pleased. Never thought it would happen.